In this video, I'm going to discuss two very important electrical parameters that led me to purchase a Westinghouse generator as my backup generator for my home. Let me show you what to look for before buying your generator. The first and the most important parameter to look for when buying a generator is the THD percentage. THD stands for total harmonic distortion. THD tells you how much distortion is in a wave or signal. Think of it as percent error. Let me illustrate this concept with a graphic. A generator creates AC power by generating a sine wave. As the motor spins round and round, it creates a wave like this one shown. But in the real world, the sine wave created by the generator looks more like this. Do you see the difference between the ideal sine wave and the distorted wave? The higher the THD percentage, the higher the distortion in the wave. In other words, the higher the percent error. And typically, electronics are the most sensitive to high harmonic distortion. This includes TVs, computers, video game systems, networking equipment, etc. So take this into consideration. Do you want to power sensitive electronics with your generator when the power goes out? If the answer is yes, highly consider buying a generator that has a THD percentage less than 5%. Let me show you how to find this value in a specification sheet. This is the generator I own, the Westinghouse WGN 12000. On the second page, it says right here, THD is less than 5%. Let's look at this one. This is a Furman P08004 8,000 watt generator. This is a gasoline only generator with a harmonic distortion of 25%. In summary, a higher harmonic distortion means there's a higher chance your electronics will fail. The lower the distortion, the lower chance your electronics will fail. The second electrical parameter to look for is capacity or size. For my scenario, it was important that the generator has enough capacity to back up the majority of my home without hesitation. This includes running the AC, the heater, multiple kitchen appliances, and my desktop computers. This is an online calculator that I like because it's pretty accurate. The link is in the description below. There are two important things to talk about on the website. One is surge wattage and rated wattage. Surge wattage is the amount of energy needed to start or turn on a device. Motors typically require a lot of energy to turn on because the motor is at rest and wants to remain at rest. On the other hand, back to the motor example, rated wattage is the minimum amount of energy required to keep the motor spinning once it's already on. In some equipment, surge wattage and rated wattage are the same. A TV would be an example. Once you're at the website, click on all the items you wish to run with your generator. Once you finish, it computes the total surge and rated wattage. Take these two numbers and multiply them by a safety factor of 25%. Now, when searching for a generator, make sure these numbers are met. It's that easy. When I picked my generator, I was looking for something around 5% total harmonic distortion and over 12,000 kilowatts. This eliminated over 90% of all generators available on the market. I hope this was helpful. Check out my channel for other electrical videos.